was diagnosed, my parents cried. They were like in their mid-20s when they had me, and new parents, and they birthed this kid that has this rare disease that not many Black children get at all.
When I was very little, I was not gaining weight. They came back with a diagnosis very quickly.
We talk about how long someone lives, but we don't talk about all the suffering during the time that you are alive, and that's what people with CF had.
Like, I had made my peace with dying. And even my parents, we had conversations about, I love you, like I knew CF would be the thing that killed me.
I wanted to do something with my life that would matter. When I started on this, people were intensely trying to understand the CF defect. And once we discovered the mutant protein, everybody wants to try and fix this protein.
My parents sat me down at a table, and then they set a little pill in front of me, and they just told me that all the research had finally produced something really, really important.
When you meet somebody who's benefited from these drugs, when you meet somebody like William, who's benefited enormously, you think, damn, it was worthwhile.